Guys, welcome back. It's Ron. I got another video for you. You know, sometimes when I'm surfing the interweb, different police agencies and stuff, I come along a little video I think that you guys might be interested in. Now, this is not a boating video, but I think you'll like it. But before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, that notification button to get all the updates and all the videos I put out. And this is a disclaimer. Persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. Now, this happened in 4/16 of 2024 at the Florida State University. And what it was, this lady was out for a little stroll after dark, and she decided to take a little beverage along with her. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Talk to her. Excuse me.
No, Rebecca's already gone.
Hey, how old are you?
Oh, 21.
You're 21?
Yes. Oh, we're just here right now.
Okay, do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, we're just going to class, and then, wait, are you at Brick? Wait, hold up. You got a birthday dinner? Fuck. God damn it. Hold up, let me look for it. Hold up. I'm looking for my keys. Hold up, sir.
Go for it, headquarters. Can you pick me up 41 Spring Report Family?
God damn it. My keys are inside.
I'm sorry?
My keys are inside with my ID.
What's your name?
My name's Haley. My keys are inside.
Right, well, talk to me.
I'll get it. I'll get it real fast.
You're fine. You're fine. Just give me your name and date of birth, okay?
Oh.
Right,
Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to call her back.
and what's your date of birth?
05/21/2000.
Alright.
But it's in there, but I can grab it real fast if you want me
Just hang
to.
tight. Just hang tight for me.
Okay.
You got a license out of Florida?
No, I'm from Georgia.
Georgia driver's
So
license.
you have a Georgia driver's license?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Go for the headquarters. Can you copy the name of the birth out of Georgia?
Whose party is this?
It's the KA. I will literally go get my keys for y'all. Like, it's like, I swear. No, like, I
They're
swear.
fixing to confirm everything.
Oh,
for us.
this
What'd
is
you
just,
do?
it's literally a KA party. I'm with all my friends.
Cool.
If you just want to take the, I'm like, I don't know what I mean, this is, ugh. No, you're good, you're good, you're good.
All right, it's that opportunity where if you give us the wrong name, it's gonna be really bad.
No, my name's Haley Creeley, HALEECREELY. Swear to God, this is me. This is me, 100%.
So we're trying to find you in the system.
No, I swear to God, this is me. HAEE, HALEE, I swear. I can like pull up, I have everything on me right now too. Like I have my
You have a
my
picture of your driver's
FSU.
license on there?
No, I can get it right now though. I literally will go grab it. But like I have literally everything. Like I don't know like my info. How do you do that? Personal details, like wait. Oh, updating. Wait. Let me turn my Wi-Fi off. Oh, wait, I got it. Does it make me do duo? Wait, I gotta do duo. 3.
Alright, let's take a walk to my car, okay?
Are you?
Truck.
Wait, can I like not? Is it?
Well, ma'am, you just told us a different age.
Oh, I'm not running. Wait,
Just making sure.
The grab thing.
I
It's like,
got you. I'm gonna make sure you don't run for me.
Headquarters from that name and date of birth.
oh my
Georgia.
God.
But with 2003.
Like, May 21st, 2000. Haley Creeley.
All right, is it 2000 or 2003?
2003.
Well, which one is it? 'Cause you said.
It's 2003, Pop.
All right, so how old are you?
Oh, me right now, I'm 20. I'm about to turn 21.
Okay.
I turned 21 May 21st.
So how old did you say you were?
No, I'm 20 right now. I turned 21 in May. I turned 21.
Haley,
Yes, sir.
how old did you say you were?
May 21st, 2003. Sir, that was like, I swear to God, that was like my full, like, I swear to God. Like,
26. Can you put a DL number in the CAD, please?
Put this right here.
okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. No problem, no problem.
All right. I'm gonna tell you for me, okay?
Have what?
So about your identity is a separate crime, okay?
Yes, sir.
In addition to the underage possession of alcohol.
Yes, sir.
We understand that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're gonna address it.
What's gonna happen, sir?
Officer Vickery is gonna handle everything.
Verify.
He's going to. This is his rodeo.
Okay.
I'm just a clown in it. I will tell you that I knew you weren't 21 from the get-go.
Oh, and I know,
But the thing is,
nobody
hang
else
on,
in
Haley.
there is fucking 21.
Okay, so you want me to go in there and
No, and I don't, because
that's
that's
what
all
I'm
my
not gonna do.
friends.
I'm gonna go in and wreck it because
No, because I was just outside and I was trying to leave and I was calling my friend and
see the thing
like,
is, as soon as you walked outside, you saw me. What did you do?
I just was standing there. I didn't do anything.
What did you when you saw me? You went,
I
oh, there's the cops. I've got it.
I didn't say that. I swear to God, I
In
was
your
on the
head,
phone.
you
with my
went-
but I was on the phone with my friend. I was
You know what
I was
you did,
about
though?
to
You
walk.
took that drink and you went, oh crap, I need to hide this drink, and you turned away from me because you were trying to hide that you had a drink because you knew you were underage to have it. Then when we stopped and asked you how old you were, you go, oh, I'm 21.
Well, I
That's
didn't know what
exactly
else
what
to
you
say.
said.
Everybody says that.
Okay, well that's lying. You know
But
what happens
everybody
you know what
does
happens when you
that.
lie to police? That's a charge.
I've never been
That's a
stopped by
criminal
the
charge.
police before. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So the law states how old you're supposed to be in possession of alcohol.
21.
21.
And I
All right,
swear
how old
to
is she?
God, I swear to God.
Okay. Make a
I'm
decision.
20. I turned 21 in May. I swear to God. No, please, sir. Please, sir, don't.
Haley,
Please. No, please, sir. Please. Please, I'm begging you.
Come on.
Please. No.
Haley.
Wait, can I
Give you
please
one
not
chance
go?
to stand
Wait,
up.
can I please not go to the police department, please?
We're gonna get to that. Just stand up. I need you to
No,
stand up
but
for me.
please.
Haley.
Oh my God, I think I would literally die.
Let go of the purse.
No, I
Let-
got it. It's
let
okay.
go.
I'm putting my phone in the front. It's okay. Wait, guys. Wait, guys, please. Please. Please, guys. Oh my God, please. Please. Please, 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 please. Please, please, please. I swear to God, please.
146 for responding with you talked
Oh
about.
my God. Can I?
Haley, calm down. Calm down. You're okay.
Please. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh my God, please. Please. Please.
All right, Haley, come on.
Oh my God. Wait. No, do I have to go to town?
We're just gonna have to. I'm gonna get to that, okay?
Can I not get to that, please? I swear to God. Please.
I'm gonna explain everything to you. I'm gonna have a seat, okay?
Please. Okay. Okay, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Take a breath, Haley. Let me talk to Vickery.
We're just gonna talk
Okay,
for a
yes.
second. Right back, okay?
Okay, yes.
Oh, look at that.
So she'll have wanted you.
Let's run it, shall we?
Just search. Finish your search.
Okay. Oh, we're in the Pennsylvania ID.
That says Molly. That ain't even her. That's someone else's.
That's it. Hey.
Hi, sir.
All right, I'm Officer Miller, FHPD.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, yes, yes.
I'm the training officer. It's Officer Vickery. All right, you have some big problems.
What's up? What's up? Big problems.
Don't keep your space right there.
Oh, sorry.
So we did a search incident to arrest.
Okay.
So we searched your stuff.
Okay.
Do you know what we found?
Probably one ID. That's it.
2 IDs.
Oh, I only have one.
No, you got Molly's.
I don't have Molly.
You have Molly's
the
driver's
drug.
license. Molly's driver's
Oh my God, I
license.
was like the drug. Oh yes, I have hers. That's one of my friends.
Okay.
Yes, I have hers.
It's illegal to have
I
it.
swear to God, I swear I have
Stop.
hers in my purse.
Stop.
Oh,
Stop.
sorry.
You have someone else's driver's license. It's
I do
illegal.
in my purse. I do have it in my purse.
If you keep talking, it only works
Oh,
out worse for you.
Sorry. Okay, I'm done.
To have a second valid driver's license in your possession is illegal.
Okay.
You're not allowed to have that.
Okay.
You also have a Pennsylvania driver's license with your name all over it.
Oh, and now that was one.
That one's
And I
running
don't
it right
use it
now.
anymore, but that's mine.
He's running it right
That's
now.
fine, and I will say it. That is my fake ID, and I don't use it anymore.
Do you know what a fake ID is?
I do, sir.
Do you know what charge that is?
No, sir.
It's a felony.
I don't.
Possession of a fraudulent driver's license is a felony charge.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You know what that means?
No, sir.
Jail. Just because a fake ID is a fake ID. That's a felony charge. It means you go to jail. And you're
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Felonies.
Yes, sir.
So now you're at the chances of being thrown out.
Sir.
We're in the parking lot.
Parking lot of Bill's bookstore.
Sir.
Parking lot of Bill's bookstore.
So now you're in jeopardy of being kicked out of school.
Yes, sir.
So you are doing a lot of lying,
I'm sorry.
and
And I'm being
literally
honest.
working with him,
I'll
trying
be
to keep
honest.
you from going to
I
the
lied at the
jail.
very beginning because I've never been in that situation before. Wait, can I just be honest for 1 second?
You can be honest all you want.
Well, I lied at the
I mean,
very
first time,
beginning.
nice.
I've never been in that situation. So, in anybody I've ever known has ever just lied in that situation. I didn't know what to do. And then when I realized it was like serious, I told the truth.
Yeah. So let me explain something. Let me ask you something.
Yes, sir.
If you know it's illegal to have alcohol while under the age of 21,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
had you not had alcohol,
Yes, sir.
would we be in this situation?
No, sir.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, but I was just at my friends were at a date function and I walked out to the road. I was trying to leave because I didn't want to be with my date. And I was trying to leave and I just walked out to my drink stupidly to the road and like I shouldn't have and I regret it. And I would have put the drink down if I could have, but I didn't, you know.
I understand. Okay. Find anything else? Yep, that's Miss Molly. That's her friend that's over
Yeah, that's
somewhere.
my friend. She's over there.
Miss Molly, she's going to have to come to the police department and get her driver's license.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay.
Valid for her.
And,
Right.
And that one's stupid and I regret it.
Yeah, you do regret it. All right. Turn your feet in there real quick. I'll talk to you.
Sorry.
Hello, Haley. I'm Officer Johnson. Could you do me a favor and step out here for me?
Yes, of course.
And I just want to do a quick search of you.
Of course, go for it,
Turn
girl.
around for me. You have anything on you that's going to poke me,
No,
stab me, or
ma'am.
stick me?
Nothing on me, no ma'am.
Anything I need to know about?
No
All
ma'am.
right.
It's a
Things tight, ain't they?
oh yeah. Too tight. Probably has to go up a size. Thank you.
Hey, do me a favor, spread your legs. I'm about to get a little up close and personal, okay?
You're okay.
I do not. They just called for a female to come over here, so that's why I came. So, and then they asked me to do a quick search with you. So, right, do you have anything new on you that I
No,
missed?
ma'am, nothing.
All right, you can have a bath seat.
Yes. Alright, so you're gonna get a paper bag and put both these in there. Hold it until we get back to the office. You need another bag for her personal stuff. Put that in there. Officer Victory 6 gonna step over here and explain everything to you.
Okay.
Alright.
What's gonna happen, sir?
Officer Victory's gonna step over and he's gonna explain everything to you.
Okay.
No?
Oh no, I'm not getting out. I swear. I swear.
Alright. Officer Victory, explain to Miss Haley Creel what's going on here.
Alright, Haley, so we are going to take a trip to, you need to go by 1019 first?
Nope.
Alright, so we're going to take a trip to Lane County Detention Center, okay? You are being charged for possession of the fake IDs as well as underage drinking, okay?
Possession of alcohol by force.
Possession of alcohol, since you're under the age of 21, okay? 10-4. Haley, I need you to understand something, okay? If you did not lie to me, you wouldn't be in this position. Okay? So in the future, I need you to
Secure in a seatbelt. Let's go on the road.
alright.
Can I?
Put your feet in, okay?
Yeah. Do you have my purse and everything? It's over in my phone. Do you have
On
my
the
phone?
okay. Do
also?
you mind leaning forward for me for just 1 second? Alright. Is the buckle down below? Or is it?
Can I not call right now? Really fast. Can I just call right now? Or no?
Not right now, Haley.
Okay. So
Just hang tight for me, okay? You good?
Close that door back. So that one.
Alright, Haley.
wait, can you pull this strap up, please? Right here on the left side.
On the left side?
It's just no.
Oh, okay.
Like my shirt, it's just falling.
Yeah, I'll pull it up.
I'm
Just give me
sorry.
one
No,
quick
you're
second.
okay. You're okay. I just didn't want it to like. Thank you.
No,
Thank
you're
you.
good. You're good.
Thanks. Wait,
Alright.
okay.
Don't go far for me.
Wait, let's see. Okay, so that's okay.
Again, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification button to get updates on all the videos I put out. And I will be putting up more boating videos as they come available. But also check out our partner channel, Boat Mania, for the best videos from Hollow Inlet. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next.